Julie recently moved in with her roommate Stacy and is supported in their home by Saint Amant. Julie's mom Verna says that Julie enjoys the independence and freedom of living in her own home and being part of a community apart from her own family.
She and her roommate get along so well, and it's really funny because her roommate Stacy's very supportive of Julie, so she encourages her, and Julie tends to kind of make fun of Stacy, and they have a good time together, and they like the same TV programs. Like she seems to be blooming in a way that I haven't seen her bloom. The staff are really good. They're good with her, they understand her. She's almost nonverbal, and yet she gets all kinds of understanding of all kinds of things. They know what she likes, they know what she wants to do, they know where she wants to go. And because she had older sisters, her expectation was she'd move out and she'd have her own life. So this kind of meets her expectations for her life. And you can't be part of your community if you're not living in it.